how to use Amazon employee discount on Amazon. So here, what I'm going to do, I'm on the official website. I'm just going to search for employee discount just so I get any item here. So for example, let's say that we want to use our employee discount on these sneakers here. So what you want to do is just select the size and we will add it to our cart. Now, once it has been added to the cart, we can click on proceed to checkout. So I'll just do that real quick. Okay, and you should be taken to a page like this where you can add your credit or debit card. And here you will find this section for enter a gift card, voucher, or promotional code. You want to get your Amazon discount code and place it right here. After you have placed your discount code, you'll just click on apply. And if it's a valid code, it is going to calculate the discount percentage that you will receive. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.